Officer and the RHB Banking Group, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's press conference held in conjunction with the annual general meeting of RHB Bank Berhad. Chairing the meeting today, we have Dato' Khairusadeh and Encik Ahmad Taufik. Dato' Khairusadeh will first take you through the key highlights of the AGM, after which you may pose your questions to the panel. Dato', would you like to say a few words first?
Okay. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for coming. This press conference is in conjunction with our 52nd annual general meeting of RHB Bank Berhad, and that has just been concluded. We started at 10:30 and finished around 11:45. I must say the proceedings went smoothly. We tabled 8 ordinary resolutions and 1 special resolution, and I'm pleased to say that all the resolutions have been voted in favor by the shareholders, and in most cases overwhelmingly. Amongst the resolutions that we tabled included the approval for the final dividend of 10 cents per share in respect of the financial year for December 2013 to close. I need to go closer. That means I could bring this up. Okay. So I was saying one of the resolutions was the approval for the final dividend of 10 cents per share in respect of our financial year last year. That brings the total dividend that we paid last year to 15 cents per share, or translating into a dividend payout of close to 31% of our profit. And this dividend payout, cash dividend payout, basically is the largest in the last 5 years. So we were able to reward our shareholders from our profit. One of the other resolutions was a special resolution in relation to changing of our constitution to make our constitution consistent with the changes of the Companies Act 2016, as well as the changes to the listing requirements recently. So very much administrative changes, and again that resolution was passed 100% by our shareholders. I will stop here. Maybe perhaps I will take questions from the floor, if any.
The members of the media, kindly state your name and which media you're from before posing your questions. Thank you. Do we have a first question?
Yes, right. As part of your media from NSE, I just need to ask the most topical question right now. The first one is, as one of your main drivers for the Street 22 is your fintech push. And over last year, we saw you rolling out a couple of innovative products. What can we expect from this year, and how much of an allocation for your fintech push this year?
Okay. We don't call our program fintech in the first place. We call them our digital program, right? Because it can be fintech or otherwise. And obviously, we have introduced a few last year. We introduced the My Home mobile app. We introduced the iSmart for SME. We introduced the service to the door of our account opening through the online account opening, etc. So, and we hope to be able to introduce a few more this year, and we're targeting to even introduce some end of this month. Next month, in continuation of what we have done. So basically, again, from our digital program, we are doing this based on what we call an MVP, like a minimum viable product. So as I mentioned, we have introduced mortgage for people to apply mortgage. And so what is coming next month is a continuation of our mortgage journey. And a different form of trying to satisfy the customer journey. We won't tell you exactly what we are going to launch, but again, the thinking is around introducing something new that will satisfy our customers in relation to a certain particular service. So we have introduced the mobile mortgage app to allow applicants to apply online in relation to mortgage. So the next one will still be in relation to mortgage, but in a different form for convenience of the customer. Similarly, for SME, we have introduced an iSmart tool for our RMs to be able to have the information on the dashboard online with regards to customer information, to be able to sell or to propose to a customer what sort of products they want. Soon enough, and again next month as well, we will launch another MVP, as we call it, for SME as well. Right? We're not going to tell you what it is. Next month, we will launch that product. So again, whatever we do for digital is always anchored on customer journey and trying to improve upon what we have launched before for that particular product. Yeah. We have allocated a budget of about more than 200 million ringgit for the next 3-5 years. Yeah, for this program.
Sorry, Datuk, just to clarify that, so 3 products incoming or?
At least.
3 by the end of this month?
Hopefully by the end of the first half.
First half, 3 digital products?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that from the Malaysian Reserve? With all this push to increase customer satisfaction for the mortgage loan, do you think this will contribute significantly in your loan growth for mortgage perhaps? Because it was announced you are targeting about 11% growth for your retail loan sector, but for mortgage, can you perhaps gauge a certain figure for that?
We will probably see a slight improvement, but we can expect that some of the 11% will go through the mortgage app as opposed to going through the whole way of applying for loan, approaching the sales consultant. So for now, for example, when we introduced this mortgage app in November, and since then, this application has represented 16% of our mortgage application.
But overall, how will it contribute to RHB's overall?
We don't expect the increase to be much more than what we have forecast of about 11%. But again, it's the shift, towards the digital avenue. But the other thing that's important as well is the ability to then look at the data of these applicants, right? And then trying to propose other things that we can offer them as well, right? As part of the analytics that we do for our customers. So that is also the other benefit that we can see.
So it will be hovering around a low double-digit growth.
We think so.
That's Samantha from The Edge.
Yes.
Yeah. Your target for overall loan growth this year, I understand is 6% compared to 3-point-something% last year.
Yeah.
So where exactly do you see the additional growth coming from?
Okay. We can expect the 2 main drivers of growth to continue, which is mortgage and SME. We can also expect Singapore to start growing again. So Singapore did not grow for the last 2 years. In fact, year on year, it had come down for the last 2 years as we try to address some of the issues there. But we believe that Singapore now is ready to grow again, and some of that contribution will come from Singapore.
With this aggressive approach to expand your digital segment, can we expect a reduction in your branches, or are you going to continuously grow your branch outlets? Can you perhaps talk more on that?
We will probably maintain the number of branches. What is important is then to think about different things that we should do at the branch. Right? Branches, we believe, are still important as touch points, but becoming less important for transaction, but more for sales and advisory. Right? So we believe that the presence is still important. In our case, the number will probably remain, but the activities that we do with the branches will probably change.
Right now, what's the overall number for branches in Malaysia?
We have 220, including Islamic. Okay, 210.
In Klang Valley?
In Klang Valley is about 90 over.
90 over.
90, close to 90.
So predominantly it's still in Klang Valley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
From Nanyang.
Yes.
Currently, RHB has a presence in 9 ASEAN countries. So there's one missing puzzle to complete the 10 ASEAN 10 puzzles. So are you going to apply for banking license in the Philippines any soon?
Well, to continue with your analogy, we are not going to play jigsaw puzzle. We think 9 is okay. Philippine, we believe that it's perhaps not timely for us to look at it. Again, coming back to our Fit 22 strategy, we want to focus on what we have now. So priority is to strengthen Malaysia, and overseas we want to look at where we can do well in certain niche and segments, as opposed to doing too many things. Yeah.
Would any of your digital app launches include an e-wallet?
We believe that the e-wallet space is quite crowded now, right? And probably there'll be some consolidation as well eventually. So what is important is to think about which e-wallet players that are already existing that we want to work with, right? So that's our way forward.
So you would be looking at collaboration maybe with an existing player.
Yep. Yes.
Rosemary from Berhad. We have also launched a chatbot with Ringgit Plus. Maybe can you elaborate how's the status for the credit card which you have also introduced?
Yeah, maybe Nazri can update. I don't have the information.
The question is on the credit card chatbot.
Yeah.
Okay. So far, it's still early days, but the response that we have received is encouraging, I must say. So we are still working with the partners, Ringgit Plus. We have campaign and promotion to push for the numbers. So I must say it's very encouraging, but it's still early days because we just launched it about slightly more than a month ago.
The one that has we have seen good traction is the chatbot for our personal finance.
Yeah, the personal loan, about 90% of the applications are actually on chatbot actually. So
90%.
Yeah, 90%. So that response has been very overwhelming.
Yes.
That's all. IHB aim to be top 3 in terms of ROE according to your Fit 22 strategy.
Yes.
So are you going to achieve this via organic or inorganic growth?
So far organic.
Okay.
Yeah. So our plan is that ROE is still just based on organic.
So currently in terms of ROE, what is your ranking among the Malaysian banks?
We are slightly below average, right? But this year we're targeting between 9 and 10%. And our 5-year target is to reach 11.5%.
Dato', moving forward, will RHB remain as a standalone bank, or can we expect some major news or any?
Our Fit 22 program is based on organic, so it's a standalone strategy.
Sorry, your current cost-to-income ratio is currently at 49.9%. What will your plans this year to bring down that?
Okay, there are two parts of that, right? Income and cost. So on the cost side, we will probably not see any major reduction because we are spending, right? So the key focus this year is to improve the income, obviously. And so far in the first quarter, we have seen good traction. I think the capital market activities should pick up, and that's good for our fee income as well. We are fairly moderate on our loan growth, which is only 6%. So the balance of that has to be contributed by fee income from various areas. It will be our affluent business, our investment banking activities, insurance, asset management.
I understand like the loan growth targets for RHB seems quite conservative this year, but compared to last year, it's still a big increase. So is there like any challenges or that you foresee in achieving this like new loan growth target?
Yeah, I think on the so I mentioned SME and mortgage as our main growth. The challenge will come from the corporate segment, not because there's no growth, but in the repayment can be quite big, right? So in a way, we have to do more, to support the repayment to grow on the corporate side. So obviously, if the repayment doesn't happen, then we can grow more. But in corporate, obviously, we would like them to repay us. So that will be one challenge, I suspect. But otherwise, I think the other segments should be okay.
Do you expect the local banking landscape this year to be as robust as last year? Because last year was a great year for banking. What about this year?
I think generally this year the banks will benefit from the OPR increase, obviously because the deposit costs will only be reset later when the loan can be reset much faster. But that will taper off towards end of the year when the deposits are being repriced. That's one benefit. I think the other benefit is again from our own point of view, we believe that the loan growth will be better than last year. So that will help, and capital market activities should also improve, right? Obviously, we will also see the impact of FRS 9, increasing provisions, but on the business front, we believe that this year looks to be a better year than last year.
That's all. Just now about the ROE target,
Yes.
you mentioned that the 5-year target was
11.5.
11.5.
Yeah.
Five-year target from when?
From 1st of January 2018. So that means it's by 31st December 2022. Yes.
Other than e-wallet partnership, any other partnership that you are looking at?
Well, we have done some partnerships already. We have done a partnership with funding society, for our small SME business. Who else? Sorry.
Table Lab.
Yeah, we have partnered with Table App again. Table App is basically an app to book restaurants, and we then tie up with them to enable payments and booking, right, through our payment gateway. That's what we have. But yes, going forward, we will be open to partnership if it makes sense to both sides.
Any direction that
No, I think again, if you look at our core business, if you look at it, it's affluent, SME, asset management, and maybe a bit of investment banking, but of course investment banking is a bit more difficult to advertise it, right? So if you can find partners that can generate greater business opportunities, particularly the segments that we want to grow, right, that will be most helpful for us. Any other questions? No?
Ladies and gentlemen, we take some final questions before we close.
No? Okay. If there's none, thank you for coming again at our AGM. We will be announcing our first quarter result end of May, right? So we will again invite you to attend. Oh, no. So, sorry. First quarter, no press conference. Only second quarter. But of course, we will make a media release on our results. Again, thank you for your attendance. Appreciate it.